Good afternoon guys, welcome to the channel. My name is CJ and today we are going to be speaking to Dom in his facelift BMW M2. Let's go.
Perfect.
What a beast. That looks super clean. How'd you get on cleaning it in the end?
Yeah, alright mate, yeah, not too bad.
Good man, nice to meet you mate.
Yeah, nice.
Does that come standard with that, like those blue sort of bars on the front?
Nah, someone's wrapped them. I'd imagine they've been wrapped, not painted.
I was going to say, I know a lot of people do that. How long have you had the car?
I've had this only 2 weeks now.
Is it seriously?
Yeah,
You've literally had it 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Like, I'll be honest mate, I think this is an absolutely incredible car for someone of your age. To think that you are, what, 21? So 21 and literally to be able to have your own M2 is just crazy. Like, this is the sort of car that most people would just dream of. So just been having a good chat with Dom just now, and he just kind of let me in on the fact that he's never used launch control. It launches so well, but that's to be expected. What size are the tyres, mate? Do you know how wide they are?
265 on the rears.
265. We're now going to take the M2 for a spin. 370 brake, 500 newton meters of torque really is no slouch. That all comes from a 3 litre straight six single turbo. Let's go. So time to talk about some of the things that I absolutely love about this car. These headlights, I just absolutely love them. Like that sort of angel eye style that just looks so much better than just kind of the really dated BMW look that we're kind of used to. The bumpers look so aggressive, and I love the fact that it's got a full sort of BMW carbon pack. So that includes the little side grills on the wings, mirrors. Dom has definitely got a really good spec on this one. Splitter at the rear, all the exhaust etc is all M Performance, so pretty much the full package. Sounds amazing. What made you go for the decision like for an M2 over anything else?
Do you know what? I looked at so many cars. I had 3 different deposits down.
Really? On what sort of thing?
C63 AMG.
That's the one.
I was close to buying an M3.
Yeah.
But every single time, I just always went back to the M2. I've wanted it since I come out.
Just the shape of it over anything else?
Yeah, just the shape. They're kind of the baby M car that took over from the old style M3, and that's just what I love about it.
Yeah, do you know what? I totally agree.
I think the new M3s are kind of... They got too much. They got too many buttons.
It's just overcomplicated.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, even from the fact like this has still got like a manual handbrake, I was really surprised, to be fair. It's like a sea of plastic under new cars, isn't it? But it does look clean. Do you know what? The only problem with new cars like this, right? If something breaks, like where do you even begin to start working on that? You've got to get through about 2 tons of plastic like before you need to do anything. But I think they deliberately make cars like that now, so you have to take them back to dealer.
800 quid a time.
Yeah.
Perfect.